Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about downloading an ad blocker for your mobile device. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first step is choose an ad blocker. There are many ad blockers available in the App Store, but some of the most popular ones including AdBlock, AdGuard, and BlockThis. Do some simple research and read some reviews and choose the one that best fits your needs. Second step is download the ad blocker. Once you've chosen your ad blocker, go to your app store, search for it, and click the download button. Wait for the app to download and install, and then open it. Then, most ad blockers require you to enable them in your phone settings before they start blocking ads. To do this, go to your phone settings, find the privacy or security section, and look for the option to enable the ad blocker. Then, configure the ad blocker. Some ad blockers allow you to configure the settings to your liking. For example, you can choose to block all ads or only certain type of ads, such as pop-ups or autoplay videos. Make sure to explore the settings and configure the ad blocker to your preference. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can now enjoy a faster and more enjoyable browsing experience on your mobile device, free of annoying ads. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorial tips like this. And as always, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.